Yes, friends, we're back again with another Tutorial Tuesday. I switch over to the other cam because, yeah, it's annoying. We were working on a new track, follow-up on Anger, and this track, we're gonna listen to it, what we have so far. I like to drive. I think we give away too much already. So we should
not try the melody then.
Keep this small.
Yeah. Leave the melody out.
Lock all these controller links, because otherwise they move along. And also, I want to make a group little track. That's it. And that's it. And we're gonna put in the assets. Then I have the group here, and I can add just one filter. So that we can filter the acid. But now. Gonna. Oh, we have some choir here. Let's put the choir. To wake them up. The choir. Again better.
You have a classic core in Nexus.
Yep.
Try that one.
Which one is this?
I think it's Omnisphere. I know for sure gonna go the same. I think it is, isn't it?
Let's see. Well, go to this and
factory press. Way down, I believe.
that's require.
Yeah, right, that one. Second one, I don't know. Let's hear it. No, that's not
Beautiful.
Yeah, right.
Maybe I should have clicked it. Yeah, sorry.
But that's not better than
Sorry, Spectrasonics. Yeah. I'm gonna use this one.
And I have an interesting idea. Can we use another plug instead of the one we have? I got a new one I bought recently. It's Giuseppe plug.
Debbie, Ottaviano.
Yeah, sounds great. The preset of Spires.
Look. Wait.
Sorry.
This one.
Yeah, that one.
Let's see what.
Maybe we can do one higher. We also can do is turn one just higher, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You open the MIDI file,
1 octave, yeah.
yeah, and then 1 octave higher. And then try the Giuseppe plug.
Let's see. Maybe gonna the
Giuseppe. Menu. And then you have to see, hey, I think you need another spire. That
yeah. Where's my spire? Oh, there it is. Second screen. There it is. There it is.
yeah, that's it.
Load bank. Oh wait, I have it here. This one?
Giuseppe, yeah, yeah. And try that an octave higher. Giuseppe. And it is higher.
the sound the Giuseppe plug. Hit that as well. Put in here our friend Giuseppe.
Also, yeah.
Why not?
Yeah,
Gonna
fine.
try it. Just try it.
Okay.
Like
Sound of course.
yeah, like kind of muted guitar. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
You keep them both then, or just the Giuseppe?
Not sure.
Okay.
Not sure. I'm gonna make a group track
Of the plugs, I believe.
for all the plugs. Yes.
Okay.
Add a group. And I put in all the plugs. Oh. Oh.
Plug, plug, plug. That's the list.
Something like that. Put some, of course, little bit of my friend filter, just because I can, without resonance. So if I want to use it, but yeah.
Question, do you like the screamer, or what is it? The lead? Do you like that one?
The Hoover and the
I
Screamer.
don't like it anymore.
The Hoover and the Screamer.
Yeah, it's more...
Stedtler and Waldorf, the Hoover and the Screamer.
Yeah. I think we need another sound, a more trancey sound, not scream sound. So we got something else.
I'm gonna put in the Spire.
Yeah.
Spire.
Oh, okay, try maybe the preset for the Giuseppe, maybe there's a good lead. You have another one?
No, let's see. Just trying out. This three. Yes. Oh yes. There it is. Oh.
I'm gonna try one of the leads.
Lead. Come on, guys. like it better than it was.
Yeah.
And
No getting away from time. My happiness.
Can you feel it?
I'll follow you. I'll follow you.
I get restless, and it sounds less.
My happiness.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Time to break the mold. Where are you flying? Where are you flying? Where are you flying, bird?
This stuff is
Hot looking babes. You need my.
Never know how to reply or please the nation's fate shot. The soul slept.
I wish I could. Yeah, just the two of us. Here we go, come on, yeah. Oh. I didn't want to hurt you. No. And it feels like, come on, here we go. Carry. This is for you and me. This is the right time. I can breathe without. I cannot live. We gonna rock this place. You make me want to be more. You and me. Give me a reason without you. Dreams.
Hey, that one.
Dreams.
Okay, and then call the track Dreams? Or Dream
maybe,
On?
I don't know. Let's try.
Dream On.
Yeah. You have to pay Steven Tyler.
Yeah.
Let's see. Resample it. Yes, perfect. The way he is it.
That was my question, I didn't hear it. But
Through the nectar. Something happened. Come on. Where are you? There you are. And do some banner like this.
What's an expander then?
It pumps it up.
Oh, okay.
Go to the richness.
Some echo on it or
Yes,
multiply
yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
Multiply or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, something like
Let's put on ping pong delay.
it's already better.
Okay. Oh, for now. But maybe we have a title for the track. It's just called Dreams.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Dreams on is not our question, so we call it dreams.
Okay, and then go from the top.
Question about what's that hi-hat now? Is there something we use or
This one?
something? Yeah.
This one. No, it's nothing.
Okay, no. Well,
Go and then also good. Maybe we can add a little explosion to it.
yeah. Boom.
Boom! 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 Normalizing. Come on, processing. Guess I have to freeze some tracks just to keep this audio processing low. Keep it under there.
So we do that then.
Yeah, in a minute. Oh. Gonna freeze this one, motherfucker. Oh, take some time. It takes some time. I'm gonna freeze the bases.
Because it doesn't use that much CPU
No,
then.
no, yeah. And I'm gonna freeze the assets because the assets are controlled with this channel, with the group channel. Come on.
Hey folks, just a little bit patient.
Yeah. quicker, and then the other bass as well, and then the
Assets.
and the 2 assets. And let's see if this gives us enough space to get some CPU back, because it's also streaming. Taking some processing for that as well. So 3 left, and then 3 channels. Otherwise we have to freeze the plugs as well, but I want to add and change something. Done with this one, and then see. The other acid. Well, let's see if it helps with because it was not funny. The dropouts was not funny. Not fun at all. We're also almost done with the time. So in a minute I'm gonna start this intro. Let's see how it sounds, and then we work on another one on the track. S, and the last one. S. So. And we're waiting now. Normally I should do a little dance now, or a little bit singing, but I'm not a good dancer. I'm not a good singer, so yeah.
Well,
So
I'm
you
a
have to
perfect one.
you have to bear with me and wait for the for this. 15 seconds left, so it's almost done. And then we gonna do that and check the first bars of the track, and then next week we come back. Still the same.
It's not helping enough, no.
I guess we have to call it today then. Next time we're gonna finish this with yes. We're gonna finish this next time with some better, with some more ideas. And I would like to thank you for watching this tutorial Tuesday, and see you next time. And if you want to have more info about me or my music project Energy, visit me at www.nrg-music.com. Thank you very much.